Warning: if your legs currently feel like spaghetti noodles after leg day, you're in the right place. If you're walking downstairs sideways like a broken transformer, keep reading. Because in this video you're about to learn how to bounce back from a savage workout in just 10 minutes without needing a cryo chamber, monk-level patience, or 4 hours of stretching. This isn't your grandma's recovery advice. We're talking science-backed 2025-level recovery tools used by athletes, lifters, sprinters, and mere mortals who just survive burpees. Get ready to sweat, scream briefly, and heal. We'll count down from 10 to 1, and by the time we get to number 1, you'll have a step-by-step how to recover in 10 minutes after a tough training session. 10. Turn off the fight or flight button. Just finished training like a war horse? Great. Now your body thinks it's still under attack. Your nervous system is panicking like you just saw your ex at the gym with someone hotter. Doing pull dash-ups. To calm the chaos, start with deep box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6, hold for 2. Repeat it for a full minute. It may feel silly, but it lowers cortisol, activates recovery, and stops your brain from calling 911 on your behalf. Science agrees. A calm nervous system means faster physical repair. And no, holding your breath dramatically between sets doesn't count. This 1 minute sets the stage for every recovery game to follow. Don't skip it. 9. Move slowly. After maxing out on squats, your first instinct is to collapse and fake your death. Don't. You may feel like a sweaty raisin, but you're about to become a regenerating raisin. Active recovery is your new best friend. Research from early 2025 shows that 6 to 10 minutes of light movement like walking, easy cycling, or pacing like you're avoiding small talk at a party can reduce post-workout fatigue by up to 20%. This isn't about adding more effort, it's about helping your muscles flush out lactic acid and restore normal function. Just a few minutes of gentle movement can make tomorrow's soreness feel like a whisper instead of a scream. 8. Hit yourself with a foam roller. Next, grab your trusty foam roller, aka the medieval torture device disguised as a recovery tool. If you've never questioned your life while lying on a roller, you're not doing it right. Roll out your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and upper back. Research confirms this strange act of self-violence actually reduces delayed onset muscle soreness and increases range of motion. Use a massage gun if you're feeling fancy or lazy. Foam rolling tells your muscles, I know I hurt you, but this is for your own good. It improves circulation and speeds up healing, even if it makes you see stars temporarily. You're not dying, you're detoxing. Probably. 7. Refuel like a recovery chef. Your muscles are now crying softly and whispering, feed me. And no, licking the protein powder lid like it's frosting doesn't count. This is not the time for air or another scoop of dry protein powder. It's carb plus protein time. According to the 2025 Mayo Clinic Performance Guide, post-training meals should include 20-30 g of protein and a moderate dose of carbs to refill glycogen. Think of your post-workout meal as your body's repair kit. Greek yogurt with berries and almonds? Delicious. Cottage cheese and a banana? Surprisingly elite. Add some omega-3s, and your muscles will throw you a thank you party. 6. Hydrate or get wrecked. You've sweat buckets. You've screamed through foam rolling. Now your body cells are thirstier than a high schooler on TikTok during finals week. But you're not just water, you're electricity. You need electrolytes. Sodium, potassium, magnesium. According to Nike's 2025 hydration guidelines, post-workout hydration isn't just about drinking, it's about restoring fluid balance and electrolyte levels to prevent cramping and fatigue. Shoot for at least 500 milliliters of water, plus some added electrolytes. Whether it's a fancy sports drink or your grandma's salt lemon combo, just get it in. Otherwise, you'll cramp up like a Wi-Fi signal during a storm. 5. Shock your muscles with a contrast shower. Time for the most dramatic recovery hack of all, hot and cold showers. It's like couples therapy for your muscles, some screaming, some relief, and a lot of awkward shivering. Think of it as therapy for your muscles with mood swings. Flip between 30 seconds of cold water and 60 seconds of warm water. Repeat 3 times. Yes, your neighbors will hear you scream. No, it's not weird. 2025 studies show this hot-cold dance boosts circulation, reduces inflammation, and even enhances alertness. Just be ready. The cold parts will slap you harder than your personal trainer's protein-fueled pep talks. 4. Squeeze the pain away. Ever seen pro athletes walking around in giant robot boots? That's compression therapy, and it's not just for sports stars anymore. It's like a big mechanical bear hug for your calves. Devices like Normatec or simple compression sleeves push blood back toward your core, speed up recovery, and reduce swelling. 2 minutes in compression boots is like sending your legs to a spa, but one that believes in firm hugs. Compression also helps remove waste from your muscles and bring in nutrients faster. The science, and it feels amazing, especially when you're horizontal and pretending you're being pampered by robots. 3. Freeze like a fitness popsicle. If compression wasn't enough, cryotherapy is your next level of recovery. Because nothing says, "I love my body," like plunging it into a bucket of ice. Cryo chambers or a basic ice bath can drop your body temp and inflammation like a mic athletes swear by it. Studies show just 2 to 3 minutes in extreme cold can improve muscle healing and even boost your mood. No cryo machine? Wrap an ice pack in a towel and sit with it on your knees or back. It's not glamorous, but it works. And afterward, you'll feel like you just emerged from a battle victorious and very cold. 2. Reboot your brain. You've punished your body. Now reset your mind. You can't recover if your brain's still throwing kettlebells around. Sit down. Breathe. Don't check your phone. This is your mental cool-down the moment your body truly starts to recover. Neuroscience in 2025 shows that mindfulness and breathwork directly reduce inflammation, improve sleep quality, and elevate performance. Think of it as shutting down background apps on your phone so your system runs faster. Same deal. And if you can't go a full minute without checking notifications, this step is especially for you. 1. Let the gadgets guide you. Here's where 2025 gets fun. Wearables are no longer just wrist candy. They're recovery sidekicks. Tiny digital coaches who don't yell, unless your recovery score sucks. Devices like Whoop, Garmin, and Apple Watch Ultra track your HRV, heart rate variability, resting heart rate, and even give you a recovery score. Low score? Time to rest. High score? You're Wolverine. Some devices even recommend when to stretch, meditate, or chug water. And yes, there are VR apps that guide your cooldown in calming 3D environments. Because nothing says healing like breathing deeply in a virtual bamboo forest while real-life sweat drips down your back. What just happened? In just 10 minutes, you went from post-lift disaster to regenerating beast mode. You breathed like a monk, moved like a sloth on a treadmill, rolled your muscles like pizza dough, refueled like a champion, hydrated like a cactus at Coachella, showered like an emotional thermostat, compressed like a panini press, froze your soul for healing, meditated without chanting. Let tech whisper secrets about your soreness. That's how you recover smarter, faster, and funnier than 99% of people who think lying on a yoga mat counts as therapy. Here's the truth bomb. You don't get stronger during the workout. You get stronger after. Anyone can push hard, but only the smart ones recover right. Forget the macho nonsense. Recovery isn't weakness, it's your secret weapon. The 10 minutes you spend right after training are the difference between getting results or becoming a walking hamstring tear. So take this recovery ritual seriously, but not too seriously. Laugh a little. Scream into your foam roller. Yell in the shower. Then wake up the next day and feel good instead of broken. If this video saved your quads from self-destruction, smash that like, subscribe, and drop your weirdest recovery trick in the comments. Have a pet parrot that squawks hydrate every 20 minutes? I want to know. Or check out the next post where I try recovery breathing inside a VR sauna while riding a foam roller backwards. Until then, recover like a boss. The soreness doesn't stand a chance.